Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to alphabetize on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's open up our web browser in order to access Google Docs. Simply type in docs.google.com and press enter in the address bar. And considering you're already logged into your Google account, you will be taken into this page where you can open up any of your recent documents or create a new document by clicking on blank. Let's just open up a document to find out how you can alphabetize a list. Now we have a document opened up. Now in order to make an alphabetic list, you will need to install an extension. So click on the Extensions tab at the top menu and then click on Add-ons. Now click on Get Add-ons, and from the Google Workspace Marketplace, you can simply search for Sorted Paragraphs. You will then find the Sorted Paragraphs option. Just go ahead and click on it, and then click on Install, and click on Continue button to accept the settings and link it with your Google account. Click on the Allow button, and now the Sorted Paragraphs has been installed on your add-ons. Click on the Done button, and now you can close this. After you do this, you can select all of your desired list entry and then click on the Extensions option. You will now find the Sorted Paragraphs option, underneath which you can alphabetize your list based on ascending or descending order. Once you click on it, it will all be arranged based on the alphabetical order that you selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to alphabetize in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.